Hi guys, Chris from Car Sound Security. Got a Mercedes GLA 2021. We've installed a Ghost II Immobiliser on this car. The way it works, obviously start the car. When you select a gear, you see, car just shuts down. Okay, so it'll allow you to start it again. So you start the car. Okay, you put your code in. Okay, you see it flash in the bottom right hand corner. Car's been accepted, 2 flashes. Put it in reverse. There you go, guys. Yeah, this car ain't going nowhere. Alright guys, so if you need a Ghost II Immobiliser on your Mercedes, give us a call on 0208 554 5554 or come and visit us at Car Sound Security in Gants Hill in Ilford. Thanks guys.